All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to trade on PancakeSwap and on Poocoin and why I prefer Poocoin. So I'm actually going to disconnect this so it looks just like your guys. So on the main page, you'll see here connect wallet, right? But we want to go to trade. This is where we're going to be able to purchase our tokens, right, on the Binance Smart Chain. So a lot of the stuff we do is on BNB. We'll have things that are on Ethereum, Solana, all that, and we'll have a breakdown on how to use those exchanges, right? So this is a decentralized exchange. It's not like Coinbase or anything like that. Anyone can add liquidity or create a token and put it on here, right? So what we're going to do is go up to connect wallet, all right? And I'm using MetaMask, but of course you can use any of these. You just connect it to it, all right? So I'm going to go to MetaMask, right? So it shows my balance here. Let's find a project. Let's use mousepad since I have it up. You can go to CoinMarketCap and get the contract. It's very important. You want to make sure you get the right contract. So you either want to go to the website, the official website of that token or Telegram, and that's where you want to get it from. There's a lot of scams that, that anyone can create a token. So a lot of people will actually create the same name token and try to scam people, right? I myself have fallen victim to it. So you want to be very, very cautious when you do this. Just make sure you get the right contract, okay? So originally it'll pop up with an import token and a disclaimer. I've already added this, so it will not do that for me. But you'll go ahead and click on here. All right, you'll hear a little sound. But if you want to buy it, you just simply put in how much BNB you want to buy, and then it'll pop up here. And then you're going to click swap. But normally your slippage is low, right? So if we try to do this, it's not going to go through. There's taxes, I believe about 15%, 13 to 15% taxes. So what we're going to do is go up to this gear icon, and then we're going to be able to actually change it, right? So let's try 15%, see if that works. If it doesn't, then we're going to up it, right? So we can up it, maybe another 2%, see if that works. All right, so we're still getting that same message, but it just means that our slippage is not high enough. So let's try 20%. All right, let's go here. Boom. Confirm swap. So you'll get this pull up here and it'll show you the max transaction. Go ahead and click on confirm. All right. This is a previous one. Check that one. So I actually rejected it. Let's go here. Cancel. All right, so it failed. So we'll do this again. Confirm. All right. So we'll click confirm here, transaction submitted. So it takes a little bit, but you'll see transaction come up and you'll be able to see the details of that transaction. All right here. And you can click on view on BSC scan and it'll actually take you to the actual page. So right now it's still going through. All right, but it did say completed. So once this all fills out, it should be reflected in a short while, but it'll give you all the information on that transaction. So as you guys should know by now, the blockchain, everything is public. This is a public ledger, so everything has a transaction. Anyone can view this information. So now it's complete. So you'll see here that we actually bought into the contract and then sending it to our wallet. All right, very simple. And then now onto Poocoin. Poocoin actually, if you connect your wallet to it, it'll actually show you the value of all your tokens, which doesn't happen in Trust Wallet and MetaMask. There's some that don't have values in it yet. Because you have to hit like a certain threshold or something like that. But with Poocoin, it actually uses all the data on the Binance BSC scan and then connects it with the contracts you have and then reports you the actual wallet balance, right? So that alone is awesome. So we can click on one of these and it'll take us right to a chart. But let's go ahead and use mousepad again. Now, if you type in mousepad, you could search it. But again, this is how some people get scammed, right? You just click on any one of them. You need to make sure you have the correct address. There's 3 here. That means there's 2 scams and 1 real one. But again, you want to make sure you get it from CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, their website, or their Telegram, the official Telegram. All right, so here we see 946D. All right, if we type it back in, 946D. So this is the correct address. The other ones are scams. All right, so you go on here, and what I like about Poocoin is you have a chart here, so you can see the chart, optimal entry when you trade, right? You click up here, and it also has auto slippage. So remember before I tried 15 and I tried 17, it didn't work, and I've tried 20. So you can actually go into here, and it will actually work for you, right? So we go 0.001, 1. All right, so it shows that I can buy right directly through here. With auto slippage, I don't have to worry about it. So let's take off auto slippage and try it. All right, slippage too low. All right, let's go on auto slippage. Let's go to swap. Boom, see, it automatically went to 18%, so it knows that that is the percentage that we need to go. Right, so I don't have enough in this wallet to do this, but the same thing, you would click confirm transaction, and then your transaction goes through. Another really cool feature with this with Poocoin is that you can actually see where you invested. You can see your buys, your sells, and then how much it's worth. So here, not seeing it at first. Let's go 1 hour maybe. Oh, all right. So put my mouth on that one. The Biden. Okay, so here you can see where I actually bought in on this token. So you can actually hover over it, see how much you bought. So I was testing something out with this token, right? But you can actually see, you know, when you bought and you held it. So that's another reason why I like to use Poocoin. You know, it's very, very easy to use. It has trading in it, has charts, and has some utility behind it as well.